Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents airbag or electrical faults while you work. Next, remove the storage tray and shift boot so you can access mounting screws. Use a Phillips driver to take out the 2 visible screws at the front of the console. Once done, insert a trim pry tool at the rear seams and gently pop clips outward. This releases the console without cracking plastic. Make sure to work gradually along both sides to avoid damage. With the top loosened, you now focus on wiring and bolts so the unit comes free. Reach under the dashboard and unplug the cigarette lighter, USB, and AUX connectors. This avoids yanking wires and damaging harnesses. Then remove the 2 long mounting bolts located under the cup holder using a 10mm socket. They secure the console to the chassis. Once those are out, lift the console rear slightly to free the parking brake boot and disengage any remaining clips. This gives you room to rotate. You're at the final removal. Carefully tilt the console upward and toward the rear to clear the gear selector and mounts. Before fully lifting out, feel for and disconnect any remaining harnesses such as the airbag connector, seat heater plugs, and power outlet leads so nothing rips. Once free, lift the console straight out and set it on a padded surface. If something goes wrong, check the wiring harness clip orientation and battery connection first. Loose clips or a tied connector are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.